For this question, the question's pretty common. You have a manufacturing defect that we know happens 4% of the time. So this is the probability. This is my P. And I want to know, if I have a shipment of 10 items, what's the probability that at least one will have a defect? All right, so this terminology right here, this at least one, that means I want the probability that X is greater than or equal to 1. The binomial probability. This is my probability. So this is the probability for each individual event. I'm going to have 10 items. So that's how many trials I have. So let's go to the website and plug in these numbers. So let's see here. So the probability of a defect of a single trial is 0.04. So it's not a high probability, but you're going to see that as you look at a bunch of items in a shipment, the probability of at least one gets pretty high. All right, so there's 10 trials. I want one, and I'm going to hit calculate. So the one I want is the one all the way down here at the bottom, the cumulative probability. So there's a 33% chance that there will be one defect, at least one defect, in a shipment of 10. So this number is 0.3352. So let's see if that works. 0.3352. And let's do submit. And voila.